this is the next job. So quite a big kitchen. Leaving the doors open. So we are taking this wall out. We're having bifolds come right out to here. We're having a momentum frame, so that's the steel that comes up, across and down, and then we're having a steel coming off that momentum frame coming right across here, and then there's another steel coming up here to support that one. So you can see this is layout as it is, quite a big kitchen. This wall here, this room is quite narrow, but obviously won't be when we're opening it up. And then there's a wall here that is getting taken out. As you can see on here, it's getting taken out, and steel getting put across. There's a small toilet being put in down here, and then there's a pantry going in here. You can see we're putting some big sliding doors in between the momentum frame, and then these windows are getting made lower to be flush with the worktops, but also higher, as I'll show you outside in a second. Smaller kitchen going in, gas boiler going in here, underfloor heating throughout the property and upstairs. You see this window is getting made level with the sliding doors. I'll show you outside. Actually, I'll go through here so you can see this room. As you can see, it's quite narrow, quite dark. So again, this wall is getting completely taken out. Big open hosting space. SCOE not working as usual. Fucking start digging.
I will when I've had my breakfast.
It's 12 o'clock.
1 o'clock in the afternoon.
So, these French doors are getting taken out, and the sliding doors are coming right out to here. And then this window will be as high as what this. What? Yeah, just stack them. Yeah. Yeah. So need to move solar part. Need to move this window up here as well. That's about it. Alright, so I'll give you an update. So we are taking this, prepping this room, dust sheets and all that lot. We're going to take the render off this wall, because this is coming out. We're going to put a steel across here, or a trimmer, which allows us to stud this rather than block it. And we're going to have an opening here rather than the door coming into the gym. This door ends here, and there's another door then goes into the kitchen. And then there's a wall carrying on from here from the door. There's going to be a door here which then leads into a small toilet area, and then once you come into the kitchen there's going to be a door on carrying on from this wall here which leads you into the pantry. We're going to make the steel that's coming from this padstone here that's going to be level with this wall, so everything's kind of, you know, ties in. We've got our laser level here, and we are getting all these boxes perfect level, so the top of them are all the same height, and we're going to do this by this laser marker here. So it goes on the marker rod, and so laser on the wall over there, and it tells us that we need to go up 80 odd mil, sorry, down 80 odd mil, which then will make this box the same level as the box over there. And then we're going to box this one in, because this is all getting rebarred into the original foundations and then just getting poured up. We'll put some wooden pegs into the floor, which then we'll cement up to, giving it the same height as all these three, and that allows us to get this steel, that steel and that steel, which are all going up goalposts, which then hold the steels going across here and here, which are lower than these original steels from the first extension that ever got done, because these steels are exposed. They want to keep the look of like an industrial look. So the cement gets poured in. We have A393 mesh that's supported off the floor. The cement gets put into them again, like I said, the top of this wood and there and there. That allows me to get the steels the same height there and there and there, which then allows me to get the steels. It just works out a lot easier when everything's all the same size and everything's nice and level, and you don't have to start packing things out. So that's where we're at. We'll give you another update when the cement's in and the steels are in and all bolted up.